Hi, I am Manjula Paul, owner of Utrecht Ayurveda. Today we are going to talk about 6 cooling spices, their Ayurvedic properties and how to use them in your cooking. Let me first explain what a cooling spice is. According to Ayurveda, there are 5 actions for a spice or an herb. Rasa, which is the taste, Virya, which is its potency, Vipaka is the post-digestive effect. Guna subscribe its physical properties, and finally Prabhava, which are the unique properties of the herb. Today we will be discussing the first 3 of these properties, Rasa, Virya and Vipaka, as it relates to these cooling spices. Due to these actions, each herb will have either a warming or a cooling property or action. The cooling spice or herb reduces your Pitta dosha and stimulates your Vata and Kapha. Our 6 spices which we will discuss today are coriander, fennel, cardamom, black pepper, cumin and turmeric. Let's start with coriander. Coriander leaves are typically used as a garnish and also to make chutney. The seeds are ground into a powder and used for additional seasoning. The rasa or taste is bitter, sweet and pungent. The virya or potency is cooling. The post-digestive effect or vipaka is sweet. Next, let's talk about fennel. Fennel seeds are used in many vegetable dishes as a distinctive seasoning. The rasa for the fennel is sweet, bitter and pungent. The virya or potency is slightly heating, but the vipaka is sweet. Cardamom is widely used in many dishes and teas. It can also be chewed as a digestive after meals. The rasa or taste of cardamom is sweet and slightly pungent. The virya or potency is cooling and the vipaka is sweet. Next is black pepper, which is pungent and bitter in taste or rasa. It also has hot virya or potency. The post-digestive effect of black pepper is sweet, which is cooling in nature, and so it pacifies pitta. If you have an existing pitta concern, use black pepper in moderation. Cumin can be used in whole seed form or ground into a powder. The rasa of cumin is bitter and pungent. The virya or potency is cooling and the vipaka is slightly pungent. Finally, turmeric has a wide variety of uses both in cooking and in religious ceremonies. It is also a great antiseptic. The rasa for turmeric is bitter, astringent and slightly pungent. The virya is slightly heating and the vipaka or post-digestive effect is slightly pungent. If you have an existing pitta concern, use turmeric in moderation. Thank you for visiting and I welcome you to follow me weekly. Subscribe, like and share these videos with friends or family you think might benefit from learning about the world's oldest healthcare system.